The window is cracked. The spoon is bent. The socks are turned. The car is dented. The battery is dead. The zipper is stuck. The shoes are scuffed. The mug is chipped. The nails are rusty. Sick, ill, unwell, lucky, fortunate, blessed, jealous, envious, resentful, kind, caring, compassionate, polite, well-mannered. Car shoes. What is this called? Turnstile. What is this called? Revolving door. What about this one? An elevator or a lift. And this is an escalator. What do you call this in English? Travelator. What do you call this? Conveyor belt. What about this one? Chairlift. What do you call this? Mezzanine. This is a funicular. What is this called? Leek. What is this called? Zucchini. What is this called? Eggplant. What is this called? Asparagus. What is this called? Fennel. Want to know more? Try this app for learning new words. Here you can learn vocabulary on topics you need. Work on your pronunciation. Work on your grammar and practice speaking. All you need in one app. Lola Speak app. Download and try right now.
Do you speak English?
I don't know English.
Let's work on your accent. You should say, I don't know English.
I don't know English.
Way better. Pro tip, if you want to sound like a native, say, I don't know English.
I don't know English. Wow.
Want to try one more?
Okay.
Say, I have got to go.
I have got to go.
Nice. Now say it like, I gotta go.
I gotta go. Oh my God.
That was perfect. Want me to teach you English like this every day?
Yes, please.
Download Lola Speak app. I'm an AI tutor on Lola Speak. We can talk like this every day on the app.
I gotta go. I will go download Lola Speak app. Steps, stairs, ladder, stool, chair, armchair, lift or elevator, moving walkway, escalator, puddle, pond, lake, carton, can, jar. I have no money. I'm broke. Relax. Chill. No problem. No biggie. Spend time together. Hang out. Call me. Hit me up. Strange person. Creep. I'm angry. I'm pissed. Be quiet. Zip it. The socks are mismatched. The jeans are inside out. The cap is backwards. The bottoms are misaligned. The collar is popped open. The tag is sticking out.